All right, let's jump into this explainer and tackle your request for long question 4 from page 17.
We've got to describe system calls, explain what they actually do, and give at least 3 examples.
You can find the full detailed answer for this right over on page 12 of your book. So, what are they? Basically, a system call is your program asking the operating system for help. Think of them as a secure bridge. They connect your everyday apps directly to the core kernel. Their whole purpose is safe hardware access. Without them, direct hardware control would be a total nightmare. For example, hitting save on a document triggers a system call to actually write to your hard drive.
Let's look at 3 types. First is open, which preps a file, like firing up a music track.
Next up is read. This grabs data from an input device, like loading a document's text into memory. Then we have write. It sends data out, which happens every single time you save an image. And a bonus 4th type, fork. It duplicates an existing process, just like opening a new browser tab. Wild fact here, while macOS has a few hundred system calls, Windows actually juggles nearly 2,000.
So, with all those background apps running, how many system calls is your computer making right now?